How to add Duolingo widget to home. First, to add Duolingo to your widget, the main thing you need to do is you need to download it first on your phone. You may download it on App Store or Play Store, it's your choice. But if you already downloaded it, you can just proceed to this step. To do this, you either double tap your screen or long press it to open the Add Widget options and more on your phone. After you do that, click the Add Widget and scroll down till you see the Duolingo app. After you see it, just tap on it and click Add to Desktop or Add Widget on some other users. For some others who don't know, Duolingo is a popular language learning platform that offers courses in numerous languages. It uses interactive lessons, games, and quizzes to help users learn vocabulary, grammar, and pronunciation. The app is designed to make learning fun and engaging, with features like daily streaks, rewards, and progress tracking. It's widely used for personal learning, travel preparation, or even supplementary education. Duolingo offers both free and paid versions, with the paid version, Duolingo Plus Super, providing additional features like ad-free learning and offline access. But, without no more chit-chat, after you click the Add to Desktop, you're all set. After you are done, you could arrange your home screen to make it more attractive, and also it adds more attention if someone opens your phone. And from here you can just one-click it on your widget and it will open it instantly. Since you add it on your widget, now you gain the advantage of it. For example is quick access, daily reminders, track progress, engagement, and customizable. And that's it. Hope you learned something new with me today, but that's it. Thank you.